Bom dia! And welcome to yet another famous Swedish gringo beach walk video. This time we'll be checking out the beach of Copacabana, the lovely, super long #1 beach of Rio, at least when it comes to heritage and fame. We're starting out at posto number 6. Come on. So this is where it all starts, at the Copacabana Fort, Forte de Copacabana. This spot has a lot of families and a lot of stand-up paddling. Might not be the perfect place for tourists, so we're moving on. Copacabana or Ipanema, that's what it always comes down to. These giants have been rivals since the dawn of time. Let's see if we can find out what suits you. As you can see, this is a very crowded day. It's weekend and the sun is shining. That's when the cariocas come to the beach. This is part of the culture and lifeblood of Rio. The beach is divided into different sections by the lifeguard towers, the so-called postos. The only thing to do is to try to find which part of the beach suits your needs the best. One could say this southern part is more family-oriented, whereas the young crowd tends to stick to the other end. But this pattern differs from day to day. If you're taking the long walk, don't forget to stop and fill up the reserves.
I'm from here for vacation. It's my dream here. I like the people, I like the beach, I like the caipirinha, I like the party, I like everything.
Simple reason you never quite know what beach crowd you'll get. Copa Boardwalk is lined up with hotels, and good guests equals good vibe. Luckily, a beach chair is less than $2. You'll afford to try several spots during a day. Also, skip the beach if the weather isn't on your side. Brazilians are like mogwais, deadly allergic to rain. No sun, no people.
Starting out with some sun lotion to be prepared for a full day on the beach. The beach is full with people. Swedish gringo. Copacabana. Copacabana is so, it goes on forever. It is like 100 football fields, never ending.
For its size, the beach is remarkably clean. But walking barefoot is exhausting. Here, halfway to the end, treat yourself with a break. And why not blend in and try one of them beach sports?
We're gonna play some beach tennis.
Oh yeah! Or perhaps skip the sports. All in all, Copa Beach is 4 kilometers long. That would mean you walked for about 2.5 kilometers now. Can't you just feel all that fat melting off your body? People have been asking, how do you make friends on the beach? Well, how couldn't you? If you don't consistently avoid eye contact, your neighbors will start talking to you. This is a place to socialize, and socializing is a Brazilian specialty.
The Rio is where you can feel home, you know. It's a nice place, a nice people, and because of the energy, it's different. You need to come to feel.
Last week I have my graduation in economic science, and now I am enjoying on the beach in Rio de Janeiro.
Now we're getting close to what turned out to be our favorite area. It's just something with people bringing beach coolers with beer out.
It's a lot of tourists here. A lot of local tourists, Brazilians, you might even recognize that they are tourists here. And with that package of tourists, you also get a lot of families. If that's your thing, if you perhaps have children with you, Copacabana will be the best choice. If you're not that into families, that might be the main reason to stay off Copacabana and choose Ipanema instead. One thing that separates Copacabana Beach from, let's say, Ipanema Beach is that the postos don't really have an exact identity. At Ipanema Beach, it's like the gay section, it's the family section, it's the surfer section. Simply put, it's just a little same, which means you could just be walking on for kilometers. Here at Copa, you don't have to sit hungry for long. The beach is full of vendors serving every need you have. Obrigado. Valeu.
I like here because there are a lot of people, beautiful people, like me.
Remember what I said about rain? Those clouds? Not looking promising. People already start packing their bags, and we keep our fingers crossed.
Sad truth, it's not getting better than this. There is no point actually walking all the way down to the end of Leme. We'll just cut it short. Remember the good times at the beginning of this Copa video.
Hold up, this just in, sun is back. We're on again. So, apparently Brazilians have the ability to teleport. All back to normal again. Life lesson? Just have a lunch and wait out the clouds. It can turn quickly. Now officially entering Leme, the far northern part of the beach known for its more young local crowd. And sports. Lots of sports. Congratulate yourself with an ice-cold agua de coco. Wait, we still got that tiny stretch left to cover. Let's just get it over with. Hey, we did it! Covered the whole of Copa Beach. Only reasonable thing left, drinks. And perhaps a nap. Hey, thanks for watching. I really hope you learned something, or all this hard work has been wasted. Now watch my other stuff. Take care.